felt it slide off, but my hand was on the clutch. When I let the clutch out, it slid off.
Okay. Did the clutch, did it fling?
No.
So this, I was kind of bummed out. I was like, I thought there'd be like coin.
Left hand. So if I were handling man, I would say it would be on the left, but I feel like if this is too high, we'll do little sections at a time and kind of ease it out.
Might be the bike.
I
think
this
so.
is where I laid the bike down, so I stopped right here and laid it right down. Yes. Don't tell anyone.
You can see it.
Oh my God.
Are you kidding me?
Woo! We got it! 30 seconds of waving. Oh God, it's going in my pocket now. I'm not putting it
Oh, I
on.
gotta see it. I gotta put it on camera.
Oh, thank you, Jesus. Wow. Brian's like, I didn't even get out here yet.
Well, he went out last weekend without me, so.
Found a penny in your driveway without my metal detector.
Oh, thank God. I think I'm gonna get it sized now. Oh,
Oh, I gotta mark the.
white gold.
Oh, okay. Hey Rick, what'd it come in at?
You know how many times we looked at this spot too?
Oh, let's try it again. Just put it in your hand.
Throw it as far as you can.
1214. So silver and gold area.
Yeah. Oh,
What number?
It's different than yours,
Oh, right.
oh, thank God.
but I just marked it on the GPS, so.
Oh, that's cool. Oh my God.